In this video, we're going to show you how to make cake pops without icing. Let's go. Okay, you're going to go ahead and bake your favorite cake, and then we're going to get out our stand mixer. Let's put our paddle attachment on. And we're going to slowly mix this until it becomes into a dough. Okay, we're going to fill up a tall glass with some chocolate chips, about halfway of the glass, and we're going to add in some milk as well. Okay, we're going to microwave it until it's melted. Okay, let's get our dough and roll it into balls about 1.5 inches diameter, and we're going to place it onto our pan lined with parchment paper. Okay, let's get our sticks, and we're going to dip it into our chocolate and then into our cake pop. Let's pop this in the fridge for 10 minutes. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, click this video right here. It's an awesome video, you gotta check it out. And we'll see you in our next video.